Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we decide if we're going to change a want to a need. Today's video is to announce the giveaway winner. The product that we are talking about is the best ever brow kit, and it's from Billion Dollar Brows. If you're familiar with my channel, I did a couple of boxes from Boxycharm, the base box and the premium box, and sometimes I end up with duplicates in the products. So what we ended up doing, this is the duplicate one, has not been opened, and this is mine that has been opened, and I had the opportunity to enjoy it and use it. So it was definitely a duplicate that I wanted to share with you guys. And based on the information that I am getting back on the comments, it was a good pick for me to use as a giveaway because just like me, you guys were excited to get your hands on this product as well. So I'm really happy that people that have found my channel, have been subscribed to my channel, have been communicating with me on all of my videos, are the ones that are entering a lot of these giveaways. So I think sometimes giveaways on other channels are so large, and there's a lot of products that maybe you wouldn't want or you do want. So when we decided to do the giveaways on this channel, and literally I think over the last couple of months it has been weekly, because I have been getting duplicates in the boxes, and when it's Boxycharm, you know you're getting a fantastic retail priced product with a great brand. So these are great giveaways that we're able to focus on one item, and then if it's something you really wanted, that's the giveaway that you would enter. So it has really been working on the channel, and we have been enjoying doing it, and we're enjoying that you guys are liking it as well based on the feedback. So thank you for that. Also, when you leave me comments on all of my videos, it means so much to me that when we do pull a name out and it's somebody that has been communicating and supporting the channel, it makes the experience even more so for us, because we cannot believe that with all the entries that it's almost meant to be when we pick out the name of the person, and it's someone that has really been supporting the channel and talking to us on all of the videos. So thank you so much for that. Give me a second. I have a candy in my mouth. Couldn't believe that I had to do this video, and when we pulled the name out, I was so excited that I sat down right away. So give me 1 minute. I'm sorry, excuse me for that. Okay, so I'm going to just show you guys what this product is all about. So even if you're not the winner that we announce for this giveaway, I want to make sure that you guys, if this product comes up in a pop-up or anywhere else, that this is something that you really should try to get your hands on. I am so excited to be able to share this. So this is their best of in the Billion Dollar Brows, and it comes with 4 items in it. It comes with the universal pencil that has the spoolie on the other end. And the reason they say it's universal is the darker that the harder that you press, the darker the shade comes out. So it really is universal. The next item is one that I absolutely love. This is the Brow Dual Pencil. It is a concealer on one side and a highlighter on the other, and it tells you which is which side. This one is the concealer. That's that there. Really, really pretty. And this is the highlighter. So what ends up happening, in the way that I've been using it, is the highlighter I've been putting on under, I do the concealer first to tighten anything up that needs to be tightened, and then I will do the highlighter over it. It is so creamy, the formula, and so fantastic. This was a win for me. The next item in here is the brow gel. This one is a gorgeous, gorgeous clear brow gel. So it will make sure that your brows will stay in the position that you've spent all your time making them all perfect. And then the last item is a must-have in any brow kit, and this is the brow pencil. So this helps you with the concealer, making sure everything is exactly how you want it to be. It says on it that it's called the smudge brush, so you could use this not only for your brows, but you could use this to smudge eyeshadow under your eyes and things like that. So it is really a universal pencil, and this is what it looks like here. I have one similar to this, so that's why this one's still in the package. I haven't had to pull this one out yet. So really, really excited. Very soft. It's not one of those hard pencils. It is really a soft bristle brush. So it is really malleable and it's fantastic. So like I said, this is an absolute winning product. And if you see this in Boxy pop-up or anywhere else, this is one that I recommend. I'm really, really excited that I'm able to share this with one of my subscribers. So make sure that it is just subscribe to the channel. It is so easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. And then follow me on TrueWants2 on Instagram, TrueWants with the number 2. I update a lot. This way you'll be able to see everything that's going on. You won't miss out. Like I said, we ended up doing these giveaways weekly. So if you're watching my videos and you're taking the time to write to me and we write back, and then I really try to respond to everybody. And I'm really, really excited to be able to share this with you guys. And the support that you have been giving me is my way of being able to do this to give back. So I want to make sure that if you are watching my channel, it's free, just subscribe. And this way, when a giveaway comes up, you're ready. So we'll take it from there. All right? Okay, the giveaway winner for this, her name is Ashley. And I am going to be responding to the video where you entered in YouTube. I'm also going to be responding to you through direct message on Instagram, where we can share personal information and addresses and things. Once you've given me your address, that gets torn up. It goes into a shipping system where I get the tracking information, and then I send you the tracking information via email. So we have 3 ways of checking to make sure that the winner is the actual winner, and then that's it. So once again, congratulations to Ashley. I am so excited for you to get this. I hope once you receive it, you will try it, use it, and then definitely leave a comment if you're enjoying it as much as I am. I really hope you do. Once again, thank you to everybody who entered, and I appreciate all the support. Like I said, we're doing these often, so if you haven't received this, there will be another great one probably next week. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Like I said, it's simple. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. Follow me on Instagram, TrueWants2, and then sit back, relax, enjoy the videos, and then when the giveaways pop up, if it's one that interests you, you simply just enter. All right? Okay. Once again, thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye for now.